Just because of stress, individual can develop maybe social, maybe psychological, maybe emotional, and most importantly, physical. We all know, we all are very sensitive for depression. When you hear the word depression, you will be very sensitive. Even your ear is very sensitive. Your brain is very sensitive for the word depression. But when you hear, right, stress and related word, anxiety, stress, maybe you will not be so sensitive in comparison of depression. But this is not appropriate way to behave as a mental health professional. We must be very sensitive for stress too, because if any individual live their life with prolonged stress, then they can face many challenges, and not challenges means not only to the mental health. They can develop various challenges, right? Maybe social, maybe psychological, maybe emotional, and most importantly, physical. If I will say, just because of stress, individual can develop cardiological issues and cardiological problem. So yes, we have a study, you need to accept it. When we talk about AIDS is not a disease, that is a condition in which HIV virus attack individuals' immune system, and they weaken the immune system of individuals, so their body, right, will not be able to cope minor physiological issues, right? Like one example we can take. There are one bacteria, we call them jejuni bacteria. That bacteria is very common around us, right? If you are sitting at your table, a study table, if you are touching your phone right now, if you are on your bed, the possibilities are very high that that kind of bacteria will be there. Our environment is filled with bacteria, and our nervous system continuously fight with those bacteria and viruses. But if your immune system will be weak, so our body will deplete, our physical health will deplete, and maybe in a serious condition, individual will not able to survive. So this thing individual facing in AIDS. So in AIDS, HIV virus deplete their immune system. So their immune system is unable to cope with all those kind of external agent. The similar situation individual can develop if they will live their life with prolonged stress. So this is very necessary and very important to understand that stress and anxiety is very harmful. It may lead various kind of psychological issues. No doubt we can talk about depression. Just because of stress, individual can develop depression. But we can also say, just because of stress, individual can develop dissociation related issues, thought related problem, personality related issues and all, if individual is in prolonged, right, stress.